Hey, they're my favorite disasters. How are you feeling after surviving another year? I bet you are drowning in New Year's resolutions. You know the ones. Those resolutions that last exactly 3 days until the first pizza slice appears. Do not worry. We have all been there. Including me. I promised to stop biting my nails, but here I am looking like a rabid beaver. But 2026 is knocking on the door. And this time we are not just going to try. We are going to find a way to at least look like we are trying. Today on Wellness Bore, I am not giving you those wellness tips that look like they came from a Tibetan monk with a crypto fortune. No way. We are talking about real things you can do without selling a kidney. These are 10 tips for you to renew yourself in 2026, or at least stop being a complete disaster. First, let us talk about the curse of the snooze button. Let us be honest. The snooze button was invented by the devil. You think you are winning extra minutes of sleep, but you are just torturing yourself slowly. Waking up is like pulling off a band-aid. It hurts fast, but it passes. Promise yourself, 1 alarm. Get up. If you have more than 1 alarm, you are not waking up, you are negotiating with your subconscious. I want to know, how many alarms do you use to wake up? I once used 5. It is shameful, I know. Tell me in the comments. Tip number 2 is drink water, you dried cactus. I know it is the most boring tip ever. But it is boring because it is true. You are probably dehydrated right now. You think you are hungry, but you just need water. Headache? Water. Tired? Water. Your skin looks like the Sahara Desert? Water. Stop pretending your diet soda counts. Your body is 70% water, not 70% caffeine and regret. Third, move that butt. Even if it is just to the fridge. I am not asking you to become an Olympic athlete tomorrow. But please move. Walk. Stretch. Dance like nobody is watching or like they are and you do not care. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park a little further away. Your body was not made to become a human sofa. 15 minutes of walking makes an absurd difference. You do not need a fancy gym to make your heart happy. What is your embarrassing physical activity? Mine is dancing alone at home. Do not judge. Fourth, disconnect to reconnect. Your phone screen became an extension of your soul, I know. But you need time away. Even if it is 30 minutes before bed and 30 minutes after waking up. Leave the phone in another room. Read a book. Stare at the ceiling. Let your brain breathe without a flood of notifications and other people's drama. Your anxiety will drop and you will realize the world did not end because you missed your neighbor's stories. Fifth, feed your body, not just your soul, with fast food. Look, I am the first to grab a pizza after a bad day. But let us try to balance things. Real food is not just salad. It is about variety. More fruits, vegetables, and grains. Your body is like a car. If you only put cheap fuel, it will not go far. And you will feel like you want to die after eating. Tell me in the comments, what is your guilty pleasure? Mine is chocolate. No judgments. Sixth, sleep, for God's sake, sleep. Sleep is not a luxury, it is a necessity. If you are depriving your body of sleep, you are sabotaging yourself. You get grumpy, lose focus, eat more junk, and productivity goes down. Establish a routine. Turn off screens. Keep the room dark and cool. Your future self will thank you. 8 hours, guys. 8 hours. Seventh, learn something new. And no, the latest viral dance does not count. Challenge your brain. Learn a new language. Start a hobby. Understand how the world works. It keeps you sharp, gives you purpose, and stops you from becoming that boring relative who only talks about the past. Keeping the mind active is the best anti-aging tool. Eighth, cultivate real connections. Stop scrolling and send a real message to a friend. Meet for coffee. Talk to your parents. Loneliness is a monster. Our social connections are crucial for mental well-being. It is not about having 1,000 online followers, it is about having someone you can call at 3 a.m. Ninth, manage stress before it manages you. Stress is inevitable. But you can learn to handle it. Deep breathing meditation, a hobby, or just venting to a friend. I am here for that if you need. Find your healthy escape valve. Do not let stress be your boss. You are in control even when it feels like you are not. Finally, be kind to yourself. Seriously, you are okay. This is the most important one. Stop comparing yourself to everyone on Instagram. Stop demanding perfection. You will slip. You will eat the pizza. You will hit snooze. And that is fine. The important thing is to try again. Be your best friend, not your worst critic. Self-compassion is the superpower they do not teach in school. So what is it going to be? Did you catch anything, or are you too busy hitting snooze? Which of these tips will you start today? Or which one do you already do? Leave your comment below. I love reading your craziness. And if you really want to enter 2026 with the right foot and get tools that actually work, I have super offers in the description. But it is only for the fast ones. Only the first 50 people who click the links will get them. Do not come crying in my DMs later. Also, if you want to hang out with a crew on the same vibe, I have a free trial for our exclusive community. Link in description. Like the video if it made you laugh. Subscribe to Wellness Bore for more health tips that do not treat you like a robot. Turn on the bell. Let us make 2026 the year we actually renew ourselves. I am out.